Guys, who remembers when we used to always use newspaper window lint to clean our windows? So today, come with me. I am doing the windows. I have to clean the windows. So I have to move my beautiful flowers, and I'll show you. See how we used to do. You get your newspaper. Yeah, get the newspaper. Get how many you want. Like that. And then you shake it. So kind of go and remove those things on the windowsill. All of them on the windowsill. And then we go. And I'll show you how sparkling is going to be. Very sparkling. There you go. Clean the windows. Summertime windows are supposed to be clean. So they will be sparkling. That's how we used to do. We used to use newspaper. And then you take on the other side where it's a bit dry, so you want it to be shiny. And then come on, let's do this. It is gonna be shiny. Spashkara, you wanna help? No? Okay. So come closer, come and show me. Can you see? Wonderful. Can you see how my window is sparkling? I'll show. Now, that's okay. So, go clean your windows. Summertime. If you haven't cleaned your windows, take your newspaper and wash your windows. Let them be nice and sparkly.